How to add mention on your story Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to add mention on your story Instagram. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open uh, Instagram. As you see, I open Instagram, then I go to your story. I will click, then for example I will choose camera, and for example I will take a picture. Then I will like sweep up, but I will just click and go up, and then I will go to mention, click, and I will mention the person that I wanna mention, for example Zane. And when I finish, I just go here, and and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.